Are you looking for the best UV lights for gel nails in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best UV lights for gel nails that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the GOYAESQUE 24-watt UV LED nail lamp. We are glad that this UV LED nail lamp comes with a long power cord to make sure you are not inconvenienced in any way. The cable is long enough to let you power the UV LED nail lamp at the beach, poolside or anywhere you want to go and get beautiful looking nails. Like other high-performance UV lights for gel nails, the GOYAESQUE 24-watt UV LED nail lamp dries all kinds of gel nail polish. And it does that quickly and efficiently. What's more, this UV light for gel nails perfectly fits all the 5 fingers simultaneously. Hence, it will further help you save time. Moving on at number 4, we have the HEPAZ nail lamp for gel polish. We know why the HEPAZ nail lamp for gel polish is highly rated. It is able to combine UV and LED light sources to cover an incredibly wide UV band for curing all kinds of nail gel, glue, and rhinestones. The nail lamp is a huge time saver, given that it works faster. Its ability to deliver results much faster than anticipated is further improved by the fact that it allows you to insert both hands so all of them can be dried at the same time. Besides, you will be able to use this UV light for gel nails much longer, considering that it does not heat up. At number 3, we have the Sunuvsan 2C 48-watt LED UV nail lamp. Using this UV light for gel nail is relatively easy. All you need to do is to apply a thin layer of gel polishes and then set a suitable timer. Remember to apply the gel polish according to the usage instructions. Ideally, before applying, make sure your nails are dry and clean. Plus you do the application without the polish touching the cuticle or skin alongside your nails. This LED UV nail lamp is a product of Sunuv, a company that is specialized in a UV LED technology application. In 1 year, it sold over 1 million nail lamps, and this is enough proof that this unit is the real deal. The Sun 2C is packed with lots of amazing features that make it a high performer. At number 2, we have the Beetles Gel Nail Polish Starter Kit. This gel nail polish starter kit includes a UV light lamp that delivers maximum power of 48 W and is ideal for all kinds of gel nail polish. It also includes 6 beautiful colors of 9 toxin-free gel polishes. Ideally, the gel polishes have low odor, and this means they are suitable for everyone. Given that you get everything when you buy this starter kit, we can confidently say that it is cost-effective. Furthermore, the kit comes with instructions to make sure you know exactly how to use it. It is crucial to note that gel should not be applied to the cuticle or skin. And finally at number 1, we have the LKE 40-watt gel UV LED nail lamp. If you are thinking of a gift for Mother's Day, wedding anniversary, Christmas, birthday or Valentine's Day, do not let your thoughts wander past this UV lights for gel nails. It is an invaluable tool that is ideal for multiple uses. These uses include drying most nail UV gel, LED nail gel, UV builder gel, and UV top coat. It is, however, crucial to note that this UV LED nail lamp cannot dry gel, which does not contain UV, for instance, regular polish. You will not just get this nail lamp when you make the purchase, but also you will receive an adapter connector. Needless to say, you will be able to use the UV light for gel nail right out of the box. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.